Choosing the right visibility option after uploading your video could make that your video to thrive. A lot of new content creators make this mistake. They upload their videos and immediately hit on the publish button. This is wrong. Here are the reasons why you should not choose public immediately after uploading your videos. Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Probity Guide. Stay with me till the end of this video as I'm going to explain the functions of each of the visibility options that you have and the best one for your video. After uploading your videos, you will see these options. You will see private, unlisted, public, schedule, and set as premium. You have to choose one of these options, and the one you pick will either make your video to go viral or it will destroy that video. Destroy it in the sense that you will not have your desired views. Let's start with public option. Now when you click on public after uploading your video will go online immediately. Everyone on YouTube can see this video, and anyone that searches for that particular title can find this video. And as a new content creator, you will feel that this is the right option to choose. But no, if you choose this option immediately after uploading your video, you are the one sabotaging your views. When you pick the public option immediately after uploading your videos, you have not given the YouTube algorithm the time to vet your video, the time to go through that video and know the right audience to push that video to. So when you click on the public button, the YouTube algorithm can push that videos to different set of people who are not really in need of that video. And if YouTube suggests such video to the audience that are not in need of that particular video, they will not click on it, and at the end of it, your views will be very low, which may end up discouraging you. So after uploading your videos, you don't have to click on the public button. Now we have the second option as private. When you upload your video and you set it on private, it is only those that you share that video with that will be able to view your video. After uploading your video, I will advise that you select this particular option, that you set your video on private. You can do this as the automatic setting in your channel. How do you do that? Okay, let me show you how you can set your channel on private, and every video that you upload will be set on private until you are the one that later change it to public. Now this is how you can set your channel on automatic private. By using your phone, go to Google and type YouTube dashboard, then click on it. It will take you to your YouTube studio. Click on the first link here. Now this is your YouTube dashboard. That's open to your YouTube dashboard. What you have to do is to click on this settings here. Click on settings, wait for it to load. You see general, you see channel, you see upload default. Click on upload default, this one here. Then you see basic info. Under this basic info, scroll down and you see visibility.
I have already set mine to private. If you want your videos to always be on private automatically, this is where you will set it. But if you want it to be under unlisted or public, this is where you also pick it. So I want mine to be on private, or okay, let me just change it. I want mine to be on unlisted, and then I click on unlisted. And then under here you will see save. Click on save, and that's all. I have now set my channel on unlisted. Whenever I upload my videos, it's going to be under unlisted until I'm the one to change it to public. So this is how you can set your channel on automatic private or unlisted.
Okay, after that, we have another option which is unlisted. When you select unlisted after uploading your video, that particular video will not be accessible or will not be visible online for others to see. Only those that you shared the link of that video with can access that video, can view that video. So when you select unlisted, unlisted means it is only for a certain or specific set of people that you shared that link to. And after uploading your video, you can either choose private or unlisted. Whichever of these two options that you choose is very okay for you, provided you give the YouTube algorithm up to 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours to vet your videos and to know the right audience to push to. So if you don't choose private, I will advise that you choose unlisted. And during these 24 hours, you don't have to share that your video link with anyone. You just allow it to be there just for the purpose of the YouTube algorithm going through that video and knowing the right audience to push to. Another option is schedule. Schedule option allows you to upload a video and set a specific time for it to go public. Now, when you select schedule option, you can set the time that you want that video to go online. And for instance, after creating this video, I want to publish it. I want it to go live by tomorrow after uploading it today. And what I will do is to go to schedule option, pick the day that I want it to go public, pick the time, and then I will schedule it. Now, after scheduling your video, you don't have to be online before that video will go public. When once it is that time that you set that video to go public, it will automatically go public. And this option is equally good, but it does not really work for most people. To me, this schedule does not really work for my videos. I have tried scheduling my videos, and the number of views that I had on that video was so poor. It's not even, I can't even compare it with the number of views that I have when I set my video on private and later change it to public. But there are some people that this particular option work perfectly well for them. So as a new YouTuber, you can try this out also and see if it works for you. We have another option set as Premiere. When you set your video on Premiere, it's your way of advertising that video before it become live on your YouTube channel. So setting your video as Premiere is your way of telling people, I'm going to release this video on so time. You can come and watch this video. And Premiere is perfectly good for those that are doing music. If you are uploading music videos on your channel, this particular option is best for you. And it's also good for those uploading gospel messages from pastors. You can premiere that particular message, preparing people to visit back when you upload that particular video. So setting your video as Premiere is perfectly good if you are uploading music or messages. Now I believe you have learned the differences between these visibility options and the function of each of them. Remember, I said that private will give YouTube algorithm the time to vet your video, to go through your video and know the right audience to push to. And likewise, unlisted will also give the YouTube algorithm the time to go through your video, to scan your video and know the right audience to push out to. So I will advise you, if you are asking which of these option is the best option or is the right option for you to choose, I will advise that you go for either private or unlisted. Never hit on the public button immediately after uploading your videos. You will be the one sabotaging your views. I believe that you have learned one or two things from this video. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new content. Also like, comment, and share this video to others. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. See you in my next video. I love you. Bye.